The game Lisa and I are playing with you guys today, we call it the Rule of 51. My goal is to be in the high 90 percentile, but I'm living by the Rule of 51. If we can move or touch or impact 51% of the people in this room, we did our job.
I'm a red-blue. I'm a very complicated person.
Wait. Will you two stop being so proud about it?
I definitely feel the need. I'm a people pleaser, and in my role, a decision I make, doesn't make the front desk happy. It doesn't make housekeeping happy, and so one team is always unhappy. And for me as a people pleaser, I have to, that's my desire, is to make everyone happy, but I can't.
It's impossible.
So it's impossible, and that's where I'm conflicted.
In that conflict and your desire to make everybody happy, but the reality is you cannot. What's a good mental mindset for you to shift to?
Ultimately, I always shift to what's best for the team and what's best for the business and what's best for everyone in the group.
I like all of what he said. The only thing I would add to his game is seek to hit the majority. Stop going for 100%. I'm going for the Rule of 51. If I get 51% or better, I got mine. What's that doing for me when I do that?
It makes you feel good. You won.
And take the pressure off of trying to get something that's impossible. Dancer, yes or no? And if you're not a dancer, you don't want to be seen by people that are dancers. Am I right or not? That's why I said don't look at anybody. It's an excellent reset. Even if you're not a dancer, you don't have to be a good dancer for what we did. Do you not really? Nope. Who was the worst dancer in the room?
You.
Look. I think there were three of us.
I'm white, but I tend to listen more, and I need to work on my blind side is power and being at the table and voicing my concerns.
Do you know why you don't do it based on your makeup as being a white on the color code? Do you know why you don't do that more?
Because I'm scared.
Do you know what she's scared of? Anybody know? Two things. Number one, she's a processor. Whites are a very strong processor, and they typically need more time. That doesn't mean she's dumber than anybody else in the room. Her processing system needs more time to do it in Emily fashion, right? So then she puts herself in a negative space and feeling back because she's not processing as fast as the others. Yes or no?
Yes.
Goes hand in hand with Emily's, where being a red, when I'm interacting, I want, let's do it right now, and I don't always take into consideration people don't fire at the same rate that I am. So being able to take a step back, give people the opportunity to process things rather than I need an answer from you right now.
Exactly. And when Kathy catches herself doing that, when she makes course correction, it will be received by the other side. You guys get that? That's a $20 bill. Diane, that's a $10 bill for taking the heat.
We talked about yellow and taking situations lightheartedly. If you're dealing with somebody of a different color, it might not come off the same to them. So using humor or something might not be the same to a person.
100%. And when you see that it's not working for that person because you misjudged and that yellow didn't work, you know what you do on that? Fall on the sword. And you know what? Say, I'm a terrible comedian. I need to knock it off. And then change the subject, right? Because they don't care. They're fine with you switching. So that was a really good one. I like that one. Very good. So let's give them that one and one. Nice.
I've took this a little bit differently, this assignment here.
Of course you did. You took the dance a little bit different too. I know.
Janice pointed out that she's not very red, and I said, Janice, you can be very direct sometimes when we interact.
And was she aware of that?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Right, could you, right. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Please, round of applause.
Being a red, right, primary red, one of my blind sides that I continuously have to work on is reading, if I'm communicating with someone, reading the nonverbal signals that they give, right?
Yeah.
So facial expressions, eyes, I look and listen because I need to be able to catch, okay, this is too much, or I need to back down and give them an opportunity to process, to think, to then share their thoughts.
And this is a man that's pretty seasoned with it. He's been practicing this. He didn't just take the assessment and kick it to the side. He brought this into his personal life. He brought this into his 4 boys. He brought this into his marriage. He brought this into his business. He brought this into his leaders. He brought this a little bit more down the line, down the supervisor level. He literally speckled this around, and he's practiced. So he's still working on it.
At the end of the day, it's really all about how you leave them feeling and leaving people wanting more.
We were co-CEOs.
Together, we are so better together.